A lot of things happen when someone is deconditioned like that and then has to go into, a fight for their life with an experimental procedure. I remain extremely optimistic. I think it's an incredible feat that he was, kept alive for 2 months and was able to enjoy his family. We continue to be extremely optimistic that we're going to be able to solve this problem of the organ shortage and the fact that 6,000 people die every year waiting for a transplant.